Good morning, guys. This 11:02 a.m. in the morning. So on my previous video, on the previous video I posted on the YouTube channel, we did an analysis on Gbpusd, and I said earlier that market is likely to sell from that position, right? Maybe I will just put a clip on it. The market is likely to sell from that position. So that's what I'm looking for. Looking to enter the market somewhere here. But though I'm not in this market at this moment, we're looking to enter the market at that level. So that's my analysis for Gbpusd. Analysis for Gbpusd. Looking for markets to just probably get to a zone where I can possibly sell this market. Then we'll be targeting the next level. And you can see the after market has sold down to this zone, and that's eating take profits on the Gbpusd trade. Then on Gbpjpy, we exited the market early because I was seeing a reversal. I saw something like a weak rejection, reversal of market, and we exited early on Gbpjpy. Let me try and refresh it a little bit. I don't really know what's wrong with my network. Yeah, you can see the trade that we took. The main free signal stuff that we sent. You can see TP got smashed. TP got smashed on this thing. So I want to just refresh it. Okay, so you can see at this level, we bought from this zone here. When market got to this psychology level, I was seeing a reversal. Upon this red candlestick coming down, I just exited this market, and crazy enough, if I had to hold this market, would have been on SL on this trade. So we're in sweet profit for the week. For yesterday's trade, we're in sweet profit. Upon this zone, if I was to come early, I would have been looking to buy from this zone. To probably to this level here. So that's it. So basically on this episode, I'll be showing you guys how to backtest with my strategy. I'll be backtesting the market, forex market, with my strategy. So that's what we'll be doing on this channel, on this episode today. Backtesting the market with my strategy. What is my strategy? Pure price action, psychology level, trend line break and retest. That's it. Like I said earlier on my last video, I was looking for more sales market at this zone, and market gave us what we wanted. So that's it. It's pretty nice and crazy how we predicted the market on the last video, and it literally happened. So what am I going to do? Let's go to the previous charts. Let's go to the previous chart. Let us analyze from this zone here. Let us clean up. Let me clean up. Let me do a quick clean up. Remove drawings. So now we have a clean chart, right? So now first thing first, I go to my 4 hours time frame to determine the trend of the market. And what am I seeing? I'm seeing more of downtrending. Due to this, upon this red candlestick that formed yesterday, I'm seeing more of downtrend in market. So what I normally do is this: I marked my support stroke resistance level from my 4 hours time frame, and we have my support stroke resistance level. We're having a support level here, so I'll be looking here as a support level. Then at this I'm looking here as a resistance level. Why am I marking these two levels? All these parts in this market is not very important right now. What is mainly important is this zone here. And on the 4 hours time frame, you can see the market is a little bit of a range, because market has not been able to break this resistance level, and market has not been able to break this support level, right? So that's what I'll be targeting at this place. So now we're looking for a new form of what's it called, analysis, right? You know, we have our previous analysis that market is likely to go up, then upon the break, retest and sells on the last video. So what am I seeing now? I'm seeing a downtrend from this level. Market is likely to start selling. I'm seeing a downtrend on this level. So first thing first, I mark my support stroke resistance level, right? Then now I'm marking my downtrending markets. Then we had an uptrend from this level here. We had an uptrending market from this level. The market has broken this zone. Market has sold down, and upon this level, market retested this zone. Like I said earlier on the previous video, market retested this zone, and we are selling down to the downside. So now this trend line is invalid because the market has already validated the trend line. So now what are we seeing? I'm looking more of sales market, right? On this level, the market is liking to just probably form or probably get to this zone, then we'll sell into this nearest pass in this thing. So that's my analysis. The market is liking to buy to this zone, then from that zone looking to sell down to this other zone. It might not happen because the market is about to close. We're almost at the close of this year 2024. So it might not happen now, or it might happen, depends on how market is, because as you can see, market is a little bit slow and ranging right now. So without further ado, let's continue. So my 4 hours time frame, I'm marking my support stroke resistance level. I've marked my support, I've marked my resistance level. Now we've gotten a trend line. This trend line is telling us the market is trying to sell to the downside. So now I'll go to my 1 hour time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we'll mark our support stroke resistance level. That's it. Then 1 hour time frame, we're going to look for the initial move of the market. Market now might be selling, but on the 1 hour, market is buying. You understand? So on the 4 hours, is telling us that market is selling. On the 1 hour, market is liking to tell us that okay, or more. If I say I go buy small, you understand? So yeah, these are 1 hour time frame, right? And on this 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing here? This is a W pattern, right? On this W pattern, we are seeing a trend line from this zone. So I can easily mark out my trend line from this level here. It's also a discount trend line zone. So market is liking to tap this zone from this level. Market liking to tap this zone. So what I'm seeing now is market is liking to either tap this zone, buy to this zone, then before it starts selling, or market is liking to probably tap this zone and break out, retest, then start selling. So market can give us multiple things. The only thing, one thing I advise trader is that they should be easy to adapt. They should have this adaptability spirit, you understand, that can tell them that okay, we are trying to go, we're selling before, but now we're buying, so let's adapt to the buyers of the market. So that's it. So now I can see a trend line at this zone here, a discount zone, a discount trend line. Like I said earlier, we have our support level here, we're having our discount trend line zone here. And what are we going to do next? So on the 15 minutes time frame, we mark out our psychology level. What are psychology level? There are random numbers in the forex markets like 5, 10, 15, 20. Psychology level are levels that market is likely to respect to. You understand? Once market gets to that zone, we know that okay, there's a noise in that level. Let's respect that. Let's see what the market is trying to give us from that zone. You understand? So that's it. Oh fuck, my network is down. Network is down. I'm sorry for the this thing. The network was down, so I had to refresh my network and stuff like that. So now we're on the 15 minutes time frame. Now what I'm going to do on the 15 minutes time frame? 15 minutes time frame is very quite simple and quite easy. All you have to do is to mark out our psychology level, like I said earlier. Mark out our psychology level. So now, where can we get psychology level? We need to look for random numbers, right? So I click on my horizontal ray. You can see it's horizontal ray to get my psychology level, right? So we need to get random number from this zone. I'm seeing a psychology level at this point. We have 1.6500. 1.6500. Okay. So we're having a psychology level at this zone. Then from this zone here, we'll be looking to get our roller to here. Then now we're looking to find at least 50 pips. 50 pips of the market, right? To get our psychology level coming. sorry, 50 pips of the market. Yes, I'm coming. Sorry. Oh, I've seen a 50 pips here. Now, what is our next psychology level? This is psychology level here at this point. This other one was 1.26500. The next psychology level will be 1.25500. If I'm not mistaken, I'm coming. 1.25500. Then 1.2600. 1.2600. Then from this zone, we'll be looking, our next psychology level is 1.2700. 1.2700. So they're just random numbers. What are we doing? We're just adding 50 pips of the market movements in the distance. 50 pips. Then the next psychology level is 1.27500. All we're just doing is just targeting adding 50 pips to the distance, adding 50 pips to the market movements, and this is what we do. So this is what I've done. So like, let me explain psychology level now. You can see from this zone now, market is being bullish, right? You can see at this peak here, at this zone here, at this level here, you can see our market was creating a lot of noises at this point here in this marketplace. So we can see let's draw a minor trend line. Let me show you what I'm trying to explain. So you can see this is a trend line, right? Market has touched the first time, second time, probably first time. This is second peak, and this is the third peak, right? On this third peak, we are on a psychology level at this zone. If we're looking to buy this market from this level here, SL below peak here, then 1 to 2. You can see take profit. This trade was even 1 to 3 trade. And you can see take profit is already hit on this thing. So on psychology level determines our entry zone. You understand? So on the 4 hours time frame, support and resistance level, we know the initial movement of the market. 1 hour time frame, we know the exact movement of that specific period of time in the market. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, we're marking out psychology level, where market is liking to start buying from or selling from. You understand? So from this zone, from this level here, let's go a little bit closer. From this level here, you can see market has been creating a lot of noises at this zone here. You can see that there's an MO pattern, right? There's also a market structure pattern though. There's an MO pattern here, there's a W pattern here. We're looking at, okay, market is liking to reject from this zone here. Then we can once our analysis is telling us to short, we can short from this psychology level here. Stop loss below the highs of the market, then target 1 to 2. This is 1 to 2, and crazy enough, TP was already smashed if we were to be on this trade. TP was already smashed if we were to be on this trade. 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Now on this market, now we're on the psychology level. On this market, we're on the psychology level. What are we looking to do now? On this zone, my analysis or my bias now is to just wait and observe the market, because if we're looking to buy this market, we know that the market is going down trend, right? And if I'm looking to buy this market from this psychology level here, I'm looking to put SL here, probably 1 to 2 here. So this is my analysis for this 1 to 2. This is my analysis for this trade 1 to 2. Market is likely to get to this psychology level here, and from this level we're looking to short. So this is my analysis for this trade, but to be on the safer side, I won't be entering this trade, because my main initial plan now, my main target now is to look for a sell opportunity, right, in the market, because market has given us a long sell momentum. From this zone, if we were to come early on this zone, maybe we would have been able to enter this market from this level here. We'll be able to enter the market from this level here, from this psychology level here. We would have already eaten take profits if we were to be on this market right now. What's wrong with my network now? Let's assume that we enter this market from this zone here. We saw this trend line, we saw the pattern, and we enter from this psychology level here. Then SL was below this peak here. SL was below this peak. They are targeting 1 to 2. 1 to 2. TP would have already been smashed if we were to be on this trade. I always love targeting 1 to 2, risking 1% to make 2%. Nice risk to reward. Some traders do target 1 to 3. Me, I do trade 1 to 3, 1 to 4. It depends on how I see the bias of the market. The market is likely to buy to the upside or sell to the upside. But that's what to do. So on this trade now, I'm not seeing any reaction on this trade because market has not given us a market structure here. We know that market is on a psychology level at this zone here. Market is on a psychology level at this zone. A market is likely to start buying to this upside, but I don't think I'll be on this trade because I don't think this trade might be valid, but due to my strategy, I'm not seeing any validity on this trade, so I won't be on this trade. So this is how I backtest. This is how I trade with my strategy. Let's do more backtesting. Well, to backtest on this thing. So we can see upon this movement here, we can see market upon this market movement here, we can see that market has been selling crazily on this zone here. I can short my position here on this psychology level. Then SL above this recent high. Then take profit 1 to 2. Targeting 1 to 2 on this trade, and you can see TP was already smashed. TP got smashed at this zone. Though this trade will be a very long trade, the market is a little bit slow this period, so this trade will be a very long trade. But TP got smashed at this zone here. So that is basically how we trade with psychology level. Psychology level are zones that tells us, okay, market is okay. Look at this zone now. Can you see this ranging now? Can you see this ranging? If we're to take some traders will be like, okay, because of psychology level is this, psychology level is that. Anytime I say psychology level, I'll buy or sell. No, don't do that. Don't do that to yourself, else you're gonna shop surplus. Like from this zone now, let's say somebody saw a W pattern and in this zone and is buying from this level. Okay, he said, okay, let's do a nice SL something 1 to 2. Okay, this is 1 to 2. Let's do 1 to 2. Can you see the market? It got stopped out. So psychology level is just an additional confluence to the market. You understand? Like from this level now, what is making me to sell this market at this zone? From the higher time frame, from this zone here, from this resistance zone, we're seeing that okay, market is tanking massively, right? Now we can see target our discount trend line or a mini trend line, any how you call it, the trend line. This is a trend line, right? Now we know that market is downtrending, and from this zone we're seeing market is pulling up. So we will see the first touch, second touch. Upon the third touch, we'll see some range at this zone. Market start tanking. So from this zone, we can easily enter this trade from this level here. And now, how many confluence are we seeing? First confluence, the initial higher time frame is telling us that market is downtrending, right? Second confluence, we are seeing a discount trend line. That is a minor trend line. We are waiting for this trend line to break. Once the trend line is likely to break, we know that okay, sell is valid now. Let's enter. And third confluence is our psychology level. Our psychology level is at 1.27500, right? That's our psychology level, 1.27500. And crazy enough, bam, we slow down. We can still do more of this thing coming. You can still do more backtesting, right? More backtesting. So upon this level, you can see markets bought from this zone here. This market has been ranging for a while. Let's assume that we bought this market from this zone. Okay, let's see. There's a trend line at that point here. Let's see. Okay, we're seeing something like this, right? First touch, second touch. Upon this third touch, market broke down. We saw a rejection at this zone. So let's assume we bought this market from this rejection. Let's say when the market starts rejecting to this upside, we bought the market here. Our stop loss below this rejection. We're targeting 1 to 2. 1 to 2. And let's see. TP already smashed on this trade, right? TP already smashed on this trade, 1 to 2. Then now we've already smashed take profit on this trade, right? 1 to 2. And let's assume that okay, we're likely to see more of the bullish. This thing is moving from this upside. You can see, we can draw it here. Okay, now from this zone, we're seeing on this touch, market bounce to this upside. We're seeing a touch here, market bounce. Let's assume that we got to this market at this level here. Let's assume we got to the market at this level here, and we're seeing a psychology level. The market is ranging on this psychology level. On this zone here, we're still seeing something called a discount trend line, also a breakout and retest. Maybe in our next video, I'll talk more on breakout and retest. You can see a discount trend line from this level. Then once upon the market broke out from this zone, we bought SL below this thing. Then we're targeting 1 to 2. We're targeting 1 to 2, and you can see TP already smashed on this trade. TP got smashed on this trade before market starts reversing to the downside. So that's the advantage of this trend line breakout and this thing. We can keep on backtesting this thing. We can keep on backtesting it, and we'll see that, oh, market is crazy. Okay, like at this zone now, we can see something like market was tanking from this level here. So market tank, market sold from this level here. You can see market came back to a trend line, and we saw a psychology level at this one. Let's assume that we sold this market from this level here. Let's assume we sold this market from this level upon this zone. Then our SL was above the psychology level because market liking to get to the psychology level, right? Then let's see we're targeting 1 to 2. You can see TP already smashed. Can you see? TP already smashed at this zone. TP already smashed at this zone. So that's it. So that's just it. We can keep on backtesting, keep on backtesting, keep on backtesting, keep on backtesting. Okay, let's see if we can get one more distance. So from this psychology level here, we can see a mini trend line at this point here. And let's assume that we bought this market upon this trend line. This trend line. Let's say we bought this market upon this trend line. Stop loss was below this distance. And we're targeting 1 to 2. Can you see? TP already smashed at this zone. 1 to 2. So that's the distance. That's our strategy. You understand? You can see from this zone now, we can see there's a discount level here. Right? Discount level here. We know that the market is being bullish, right? This is a bullish trend in the market. We know that market is bullish at this zone. And then now we've seen a discount level here. Upon this break, let's assume we bought the market upon this break. SL below our psychology level, below this rejection, and you can see 1 to 2 TP already smashed at this zone. So that's it. We can keep on backtesting, keep on going and keep on going and keep on going and keep on going to show you that yeah, this our strategy works perfectly fine. Pure price action works perfectly fine. So let's go to Gbpusd Gbpjpy. Gbpusd Gbpjpy, same thing. Market respects psychology level. You can see upon this zone here, market sold. This from here to here, this is 50 pips, right? Upon this zone, market sold down. Bam. From this zone, market bought back to this rejection and market sold down. You can see from this level, market bought. Market always respects psychology level. From this psychology level, you see multiple noise, multiple rejection in the market. Like from this zone now. From this zone now, you can see market has given us a lot of rejection from this level. You can see it from this peak here. Let's assume we bought from this zone. This is a psychology level. Market is trying to go bullish. Market has broken the structure, but I've seen a structural level that market liking to break. Let's assume we bought from this zone here. Stop loss below this weak rejection, all this weak here. They were targeting 1 to 2 on this market. And see TP already got smashed. TP was already smashed on this market. So that's it on this end. We can keep on backtesting. Backtest with me with my strategy, pure price action and psychology level. I love this fact that Gbpusd Gbpjpy is going bullish massively. My main target was market was liking to get to this zone here. That was my main analysis from day one. The market is likely to get to this zone here. So that was just it. Analyze the market with me with pure price action, breakout, retest, know the movement of the market, and join psychology level So psychology level is one of the best zones that I've used and that's really helped and works for me. So do it to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. See you in the next video. Peace.